So, when we look at the typical maintenance strategy lifecycle, so this is kind of where you fall in your maintenance strategy. Despite all the conversations of predictive maintenance and everybody thinking like it's the panacea and it's the be all and end all, there definitely there are a few things that are preventing organizations from getting to that predictive approach. Really, when you look at this chart, the further to the right you go, the more data is required, the more connectivity, and the more investment typically. Although typically the return on investment is greater, but it definitely is a bigger investment and a difficult thing to get to, because when you really look at it, a lot of manufacturers face an environment where they have old equipment that doesn't have all the machine data available to it. Connectivity is sometimes limited. So there's a lot of things preventing organizations from getting from the reactive approach to the predictive approach. And the other part of that, I guess, limitation or prohibiting people from getting there is really financial investment and justifying that investment.